Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install the window reflector for 2011 Rav4. So first you have to roll down your window and then you install from this side first. So you have to clean inside of the channel first, and then after that you can install it in. So you put the right side in first into the channel and slowly bend the other side in. So you make sure you got everything nice and tight into the channel. And then you just push it up to make sure everything is aligned and good. Now what you want to do is roll up the window. Let me turn on the car. So when you turn on your car, so you can roll the window up. Let me get it. Okay, so let me try to roll the window up so it's aligned into the channel. So do it slowly. Slowly. And then you roll it back down slowly, small increment every time. And then make sure it's aligned and fit well. And then do for like 2 or 3 times, just to make sure it stay in there. Make sure in there it's all nice and good. And then the last thing you want to do is you leave you leave it on, based on the instruction, you leave it on for 24 hours to let it settle in. And here's what I'm gonna do with the back side too. So the back side is basically the same thing, but the back side have a adhesive. So what you want to do is remove the adhesive. So you remove the adhesive, and then you start from one side. You bend this little bit so I get in there. This thing is very strong, so make sure you press it in. And you press it up slowly, and you push all the way up. Make sure everything is aligned on top. Okay, when you got everything done, make sure all the strip right here is aligned. Good. Then what you do is you roll up the window. So let me try to roll up the window. And so it's stay in. And then you do the same thing a couple of times to make sure it fit and settle it in. Do it for a couple of times, 3 or 4 times. And then when you're done, you should leave it for 24 hours. Don't try to roll the window down. Just leave it so it settles in, and should be good. So basically you're doing the same thing for the other side, and it should be nice and neat. So perfectly blend in, as you can see. It looks really good. So this label right here, you can take it off. It's basically just a stick on. So if you want to take it out easily, you just get a little heat gun in it, so it'll take out. So now you just repeat the process for the other side, and should be good. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.